can see in your eyes that you've been lying by the hour. I'm always wrong and you're right, I know that's your superpower. I know you're sneaking out at midnight. It's hard for me to realize. Got me feeling jealous while you're careless when you're with your new lover. And every time I see you running out of your door, no matter what you say, swear that I've seen it before. I feel some kind of way.
Good morning, it's Buffy and Mark and Focus from AdventureAwaitsOverland, and today's all about redemption. We are going to a location that we tried to get to this past winter. As you know, we got a few videos out there where we head out with these great fine plans and we get turned around. A lot of the times that happens because of ice and snow in the unpredictable winter months of BC. But it's now May. It's May 1st? 2nd. May 2nd today. Beautiful sunny day. Going to be probably 25 degrees. And we are going back to one of our spots that we were turned around in. I have no doubt today will be a whole different ball game. Because it's beautiful and sunny out. And there's no snow. No snow to be seen anywhere. Just dust now. Anyway, we're going to get going. We're going to show you this location and hopefully have a blast today. We're with Sug and the Bronco, and Dragon is here. Now you're going to notice something in the video. Sug has removed the wrap on his Bronco. It looks quite a bit different. The cool side of that is he had some really nice new black paint underneath that wrap that we can take out and get pinstriped up for him. Do a different kind of wrap now, and we'll see how well he does with that, because it looks like a new truck with the wrap off. But anyway. That's a story for another time. We'll point and laugh at him later if he gets a scratch. Come on, let's go do our journey. Good morning, Buffy.
Good morning. Just dumped the whole fucking trailer.
Yeah, whole RV.
Remember that last time. Is this where we turned around?
Something like this.
Down the outside of the prison, it's fucking beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
It's late in the evening, yeah. My mind loud. I'm out in the deep end, yeah. Have so many doubts. On this night, yeah, I came to reason to hold out, to hold out. Only right, yeah, to believe and go all out, go all out. Tulema bota, tulema, tulema bota, tulema, tulema bota, tulema, tulema bota, tulema bota, tulema, tulema bota, tulema, tulema bota, tulema, tulema bota. I cannot live like this forever, forever, forever. Go over, go under, no matter the weather, the weather, the weather. Tula, tula, over, under, tula, tula, makes me wonder. Tula, tula, over, under, tula, tula, makes me. Tulema bota, tulema, tulema bota, tulema, tulema bota, tulema, tulema bota, tulema bota, tulema, tulema bota, tulema, tulema bota, tulema, tulema bota.
Are we still going the right way with Onyx? Are we turning right or left up here?
I could go left, huh?
It looks left to me.
I don't know where we're supposed to go in here though. Bar there. I know. I got a big rock beside me. I'd rather hit the tree than the rock.
Yes, you're on the right path.
Hit that shock a little bit. Maybe we'll try something different. All right, so we're here. We made it. And yeah, it's very nice. As always, I wish people would clean up after themselves a little better, but I've seen a lot worse than this. And honestly, if we all just grab a few handfuls here, we can probably clean it up. But yeah, here's a little shelter. Super cool. A little bar maybe. Yeah, a bunch of other roads. We'll hit a couple of these when we leave just to go see what's up there and explore. But yeah, pretty cool. Where did we come in again? We crossed in here, didn't we? We came through there, you and I. They went around this log. Oh, I see. That's where we came out right there.